everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I am here to talk about something really exciting for anyone who creates videos or wants to ever wished you could churn out professional looking videos in minutes without all the complex software or hiring a huge team. Well, today we're diving deep into Video Express AI to see if it lives up to the hype. Is it the game changer for video creation you've been looking for? Let's find out. First off, what exactly is Video Express AI at its core? It is an AI-powered platform designed to turn your text into engaging videos. Think about that for a second. You write your script and AI helps you turn it into a full-fledged video with visuals, voice-overs, and even music. It is built for speed and efficiency, aiming to save you tons of time and money on video production. Now, let's talk about the workflow and how it actually works. Getting started, the workflow, the process is surprisingly straightforward. You start by inputting your script or just a topic idea. Video Express AI can even help you write or refine your script with its AI writing assistant. Once your text is in, the AI gets to work. It analyzes your script and suggests relevant visuals from its extensive library of stock images and video clips. You then get to choose from a range of AI voices for your narration, which are pretty impressive in their naturalness. From there, you can customize things with different templates, add background music, and fine-tune the timing of your scenes. The entire process aims to be intuitive, even for beginners. Time-saving power. One of the biggest promises of Video Express AI is its ability to drastically cut down video creation time. And from my experience, it really delivers. What might take hours or even days with traditional editing software can genuinely be done in a fraction of the time. This is a huge advantage for anyone who needs to produce a lot of video content quickly, like social media marketers, content creators with tight schedules, or small businesses without dedicated video teams. Now, let's get into what I really liked and some areas where there might be room for growth. The good stuff, what I loved. Firstly, the ease of use is phenomenal. You don't need any prior video editing experience to get started. The interface is clean and guided. Secondly, the sheer speed of video generation is mind-blowing. You can have a solid draft ready in minutes. The quality of the AI voices is also a huge plus. They're very clear and natural sounding, which is crucial for explainer videos or informational content. The extensive stock media library means you rarely struggle to find relevant visuals for your script, and the customizable templates provide a great starting point for various video styles. Areas for improvement. While Video Express AI is incredibly powerful, it is important to remember it is an AI tool. For highly nuanced, artistic, or complex custom animations that require a very specific human touch, you might still find yourself wanting more control than the platform currently offers. Also, while the AI voices are great, they might not fully replace the unique warmth or specific emotional range of a human voice actor for every single project, depending on your needs. These aren't necessarily flaws, but more general considerations when using any AI-driven creative tool. So, who is Video Express AI for? If you are a marketer needing quick at creatives, a small business owner wanting to make explainer videos for your products, a content creator aiming to produce more social media shorts, or even an educator looking to create engaging e-learning modules, this tool is definitely worth considering. It empowers you to create professional-looking videos without the steep learning curve or high costs associated with traditional video production. To wrap things up, VideoExpress AI is a powerful, efficient, and user-friendly platform that truly streamlines the video creation process. It's an excellent tool for anyone looking to produce high-quality videos quickly and easily, especially if you are working with a text-based script, if you are looking to streamline your video workflow and create more content faster. Definitely check out VideoExpress AI. I've put a link in the description below where you can learn more. Have you tried any AI video tools? Let me know your thoughts and experiences in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more reviews and tutorials, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.